In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a Pioneer roller using the new extended Stow range from Rhino-Rack. Before commencing, refer to the online instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied. The first step is to join the two Zwift-lock connectors together and attach to the underside of the Stow base bracket using the supplied bolts. Next, close the Zwift-lock mechanism and insert the base bracket to the rear of the Rhino-Rack Pioneer, in this instance, the left side. Repeat the same process on the right. Next, insert the roller adapters to either side of the roller. Ensure the distance between the Stow base brackets match the roller adapters. Once aligned, carefully position the Pioneer roller into place by sliding the mounting system together and secure with the supplied bolts. Now your Pioneer roller is ready for use, thanks to the new extended Stow range from Rhino-Rack.